going on, guys? Today, as you can see, we're in the shop again. Gonna be working on the Kingquad some more. We got this front diff we're gonna be taking out. As you can see in the last video, we did the showed you how to change the axle, take the axles out, and change the diff fluid. So basically, we did that on both sides because we're gonna take this drive shaft out and take this diff out. Because I've got to get back here to this drive shaft and replace these U-joints. As you can see, yeah, that's not too good. Leaking oil out there, so I gotta replace that seal back there and this U-joint here. So we're just gonna go ahead and take the whole diff out since I already got it taken apart. Because we are doing basically a rebuild on this bike. We're gonna be painting the plastics, and we also gonna be painting all the racks, the A-arms, front bumper, and everything like that. Not 100% sure what colors I want to go with quite yet. We might change the rim and tire setup. Maybe have these Moto Havocs cut, maybe on crush locks or something. I don't know. Maybe y'all let me know in the comments. But yeah, we're gonna paint everything up. Just do a whole rebuild. Go back through, make sure all the snorkels are tight, make sure all the plugs got grease in them, and everything's waterproofed and good to go for the summer. So, but yeah, so as you can see in the last video, we already got the diff drained out, and it's not on the last video, but we went ahead and took our oil filter off and drained our oil. Just so when we do take that drive shaft out and we pop that seal out behind there, you know, oil don't go everywhere. So we went ahead and got it drained. But to start off with, to get the diff out, you're gonna want to take these two bolts. It's two long bolts, got a nut on the back side. You want to pop them loose, and the diff should pop out from there and basically slide right off that drive shaft. But yeah, with that being said, I mean, let's jump into this build video. Let's get it going. Let's get this diff and drive shaft out.
And becoming the best at it and mastering myself and seeing what I have within me. If you decide to drop your buckets where you are and develop your gifts, I grant you, you'll never ever be without.
All right, so we got the diff unbolted and slid forward off the frame so we could undo that joint there. And it just slides out when you unbolt the front diff and move it forward. It'll just slide out of that that boot right there. And now we're gonna pop this off. It should just come off with like a little crowbar or something. Pop it off, and we'll show you what that looks like. Nice. You can see that's off. And that's what we're looking for. That seal right there we got to replace. Alright guys, I think that's going to conclude part one of this video of this rebuild video on the Kingquad 400. Getting her tore down, getting her rebuilt, and from here we're just going to make sure all the plugs and stuff, like I said before, are all greased, you know, every little plug, make sure everything's tight, make sure the snorkels are still tight, and silicone everything up real good. I think we're gonna throw a custom rad kit on this bike. to relocate that radiator and that bulky ass fan in there. But yeah, we're gonna get it all sanded down and custom painted, the racks and everything, and yeah. So let me know what you think in the comments, what colors we should use or what setup we should throw these things on, what should we do to it. Let me know. Appreciate you watching.